When I say oil, do you think of this? Not that kind of oil, silly. Oil for your hair. So what is hair oil? It adds vitamins, nutrients, and hydration. I lotion my skin. I oil my hair. We have 3 options available at ProDo that I'll talk about. Young Again from Kevin Murphy. It has Immortelle, which reverses the signs of aging. And we also have the U Oil from Unite. This is the one that I use on my hair every day. It's great for all hair types. It's packed with all kinds of nutrients, including argan oil. We are super excited to get the new Living Proof oil in. It contains a patent healthy hair molecule. It blocks humidity, hydrates, and smooths oil. You need it for your car, you need it for